In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Excel headings. Creating clear and well-formatted headings in Excel is a simple yet powerful way to make your spreadsheets more organized and easier to read. Proper headings help you quickly understand the content of each column and provide a professional look to any report or document you are working on. To start, select the cells where you want your heading to appear. These are usually the top cells of a column or a group of columns that represent a specific category or section of your data. Once the cells are highlighted, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Here you will find the Merge and Center option. Clicking this will combine the selected cells into a single cell and automatically center your heading text horizontally. After merging the cells, type in the text that you want to use as your heading. This could be a column title, a section label, or any descriptive text that explains the data below. Once the text is entered, align it properly by clicking the Center Alignment option for horizontal placement, and then select Middle Align to ensure the text is vertically centered within the cell. This step guarantees that your heading looks balanced and is visually appealing. Next, you can customize the appearance of your heading to make it stand out. Excel allows you to change the font style and size, which can add emphasis and improve readability. Choosing a bold font or a slightly larger size can make your headings clear and distinguishable from the rest of the data. This customization is optional, but highly recommended for any professional spreadsheet. Finally, under your heading, you can enter the details or data for each row. This ensures that your spreadsheet remains structured and each section is easy to identify. By keeping your headings properly formatted and aligned, you improve the overall usability of your Excel sheet, making it easier for you and others to navigate and understand the information presented. By following these simple steps, you can create headings that are not only functional but also visually appealing, adding clarity and a professional touch to your spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.